Hello Peters, welcome to my YouTube channel Ubuchule Bezandla. So today I'm posting project 3. I didn't get a chance to do a video while I was making this project because I was working under pressure. My client came late. It was a short notice. So this is what I'm making. This was a piece that I was making for her wedding day. She chose these colors: royal blue, and sky blue, and white, shiny white, right? So these are all shiny beads, size 8 precursor, check beads, size 8, because that's the beads that I use for my work. So she agreed that I can post her, so I'm going to post her so that you see how beautiful she looked at her wedding. Yeah, to complete this project, it actually took me like 9 days. It was not a neck piece only, but a belt also, and I didn't know that I was going to do a belt, but you know, I found out that she also wants a belt within 9 days. So I'm going to post her here. I'm going to post her so that you see how beautiful she looked. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe for you to see my creative work. Alright, so I'm posting her pictures now. You can see how beautiful she looked. There she is. There she is at her wedding day. And thank you so much for watching.